2 years ago, they named the street after my mom. If you want to know what this place has served to the community, there are some young men and some young ladies that have kind of lost their way, and Mom has fed them and given them a free meal. She will pay your mortgage. If your car has gotten repossessed, she will give you the money to go get your car back. She's always concerned about other people.
I mean, you're an amazing woman for sure.
I've always watched you and prayed that somebody would send somebody to do what you do to me.
Stand up. Stand up, both of you. Let me tell you something. I will give you everything I've got, and I mean that, in the next 48 hours to make you successful. Right? You just have to trust me.
I do.
Okay?
Amen.
All right? We got a lot of things to do. Open your eyes.
What? Wow, it's gorgeous. Robert, this is the kind of restaurant that I really wanted. Robert, thank you.
I want something that gives me hope that you can do it. Come here. Throw him up in the air. What do you feel right now?
Relief. I am ready.
Open your eyes.
Just let me cry. I have to cry, please.
That's okay. Is that happy tears or sad tears?
It's happy tears.
The first part of success is admitting failures.
So you just want me to say I'm failing? Because I'm not
I want you to understand the gravity of the situation.
But just because I don't classify myself as a failure.
I'm not saying you personally are failing. I'm saying your restaurant is failing. Open your eyes.
You did it. It's perfect.
Open your eyes.
Oh my God! Oh my, that is so beautiful.
You're not a chef, you're a cook.
No, I'm not.
Cook. Because if you're a chef, you'd know what was going on in your business.
And you know what you are?
The meatball in the middle is dry and bland. And the masala, and I asked for the masala. You don't like the truth? Listen, if you can't take constructive criticism,
It's
you're
not
in the wrong
constructive.
business. You want my help to fix it? I'm going to talk about everything you do. And if you don't like it, I'll leave. I have no problem.
Get out! Get out!
This is where you take it out. Say that, I am somebody. Mean
I
it.
am somebody. I am a chef.
We have to make it work.
Give me your hands. If you want to do this, I'm going to bust my chops to make sure it works.
I'm here with you. Thank you.
Open your eyes.
Oh my God. Thank you, Lord. Thank you. I can't thank you enough. I just needed that opportunity for somebody to help me.